the comfort of restoration. Why the repair shop is the perfect antidote to throwaway culture. The end of beloved comfort shows, like the Great British Baking Show, often leaves a void. But for viewers seeking a similar sense of soothing satisfaction, the British series The Repair Shop, now freely available on Tubi, offers a unique and deeply engaging alternative. The allure of skilled craftsmanship, The Repair Shop isn't just about fixing broken objects. It's a showcase of dying arts. The show features artisans, leathersmiths, metalsmiths, horologists, who meticulously restore cherished family heirlooms. Each episode unfolds like a blend of Antiques Roadshow and Ask This Old House. A participant arrives with a worn-out item, recounting its history, and then the experts begin their work. The process is mesmerizing. Artisans match paint colors with uncanny precision, hand-stitch fur onto stuffed animals, or craft new table legs that seamlessly blend with the old. The show doesn't just repair items, it preserves memories, all set to a calming soundtrack. A counterpoint to disposable culture, this isn't merely entertainment. It's a statement against rampant consumerism. The BBC One website accurately describes The Repair Shop as a heartwarming antidote to throwaway culture. The show's 15th season demonstrates the growing appetite for valuing repair over replacement. There's a growing movement around this concept, embodied by hashtags like visible mending and kintsugi, which celebrate imperfections and the beauty of restored objects. The Repair Shop taps into this ethos, encouraging viewers to reconsider the lifespan of their possessions. Beyond The Repair Shop, a thriving genre, the UK has cornered this market, with additional shows like Money for Nothing and Saved and Remade also available on Tubi. These programs inspire viewers to see potential in discarded items, prompting a desire to repair rather than discard. The appeal is clear. Many people dream of upcycling, but lack the space or skills. Shows like these offer a vicarious outlet. The American equivalent, HGTV's Flea Market Flip, takes a different approach, turning restoration into a competition focused on profit. However, it lacks the gentle, artistic core of The Repair Shop. Ultimately, The Repair Shop is a rare piece of mainstream television that promotes thoughtfulness and care in consumption. It reminds us that objects hold value beyond their monetary worth, and that extending their life is a worthwhile pursuit.